Have you ever wondered why some people lower their creatinine levels naturally, even without strict medicines? Studies show that certain nutrient-dense dry fruits can improve filtration speed by supporting kidney cells. And the shocking truth is this: many of these foods are ignored in most kidney diets, even though they can help protect your kidneys from long-term damage. Have you noticed any recent changes in your kidney health? Comment below. Your kidneys work non-stop, filtering nearly 150 liters of fluid every day. When creatinine rises, it signals that the kidneys are struggling, and this is where natural remedies and kidney-friendly foods become important. In today's video, you will discover the top 5 dry fruits that help cleanse your kidneys, support detox, and naturally improve your GFR. Stay with us because the number 1 dry fruit is often overlooked in most kidney cleanse guides. 1. Dried cranberries, the anti-inflammatory kidney cleanser. Dried cranberries contain special plant compounds called proanthocyanidins, which help protect kidney tissues from inflammation. These compounds also prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract. This helps reduce infections that often raise creatinine levels. A small handful daily supports kidney detox and maintains healthy filtration. Have you ever added dried cranberries to your snacks? Share your thoughts below. 2. Raisins, nature's potent detox dry fruit. Raisins are rich in natural antioxidants that support kidney repair and improve blood flow. Their fiber helps reduce toxin buildup, which eases the load on your kidneys during filtration. Many people don't know that raisins offer gentle energy without stressing the kidneys, making them perfect for kidney-friendly diets. Try choosing unsweetened raisins for best results. If you want more natural kidney remedies, herbal cures, and easy daily detox tips, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your kidney cleanse questions below. Your support helps us reach more people who need this important health information. 3. Almonds, clean plant protein for kidney support. Almonds provide high-quality plant protein, vitamins, and healthy fats that help support kidney function. Their magnesium content helps reduce inflammation, while their fiber promotes better detox. Almonds are also low in potassium when eaten in small amounts, making them safer for most kidney diets. This simple dry fruit supports stable energy without causing creatinine spikes. Have you tried switching from processed snacks to almonds? 4. Apricots, dried. A gentle support for better filtration. Dried apricots are rich in natural antioxidants and essential minerals that help nourish kidney tissues. Their soluble fiber supports natural detox by helping your body eliminate waste more effectively. Although apricots contain potassium, small controlled portions can offer important benefits for kidney repair. Many people notice better digestion and less bloating when adding them into their diet. Always watch portion sizes for safety. 5. Walnuts, the dry fruit that protects kidney cells. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation inside the kidneys, helping improve filtration speed and lowering stress on nephron cells. Regular intake may support healthier cholesterol levels, which is important because poor circulation can worsen kidney problems. Walnuts also help balance oxidative stress, which plays a major role in rising creatinine. Have you ever noticed improved energy after eating walnuts? Final note: these 5 dry fruits, dried cranberries, raisins, almonds, dried apricots, and walnuts, offer powerful natural support for kidney cleanse, detox, creatinine control, and GFR improvement. Even small daily servings can help your body manage toxins more effectively. Remember, your kidneys respond best to consistent healthy habits, not overnight changes. Keep taking simple steps, and your health will follow. For more powerful kidney remedies, watch our next video on natural foods that repair the kidneys.